Okay, this video we're going to show you shops at Four Seasons. You can see some kind of cool stuff like that and like that and like that as well. And we're going to go inside and kind of show you what's in there. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Here we're at Shops at Four Seasons. This is this little space. It's between, got some nice little cool European looking stuff. It's between the Parisian right there, Venetian right there, and Londoner, which is all that construction over on that side. And we're gonna go inside and kind of show it to you. Go take a look. So this little thing right here connects the Londoner. So all those signs for Londoner are straight that way. The Londoner is the newest of the three. There was Sands, so they have a lot of these references like the Londoner pub, stuff like that. And then you have that other side as well. So this is a little area, and then we're gonna go right into the Four Seasons shops. And actually it's kind of funny, I used to just pass through these not really thinking that those were of any interest to anybody. But I think they are. People are interested in those. So we're just gonna go through it real quick, show you what some of the shops look like. It's Saturday evening right now. It's about, I'll put the time, the exact time at the bottom. But I believe it's about 7 o'clock. It's kind of, maybe just try to show you. We're gonna walk through it towards the Venetian, but we're gonna highlight whatever we can see along here. Got some beautiful ceilings and some dome looking stuff like that. Okay, let's keep on going through it. A lot of the shops look like they're it's like the same shops I see in the other casinos, but I don't know. I guess this might be the most premium shopping because people want to cross between one casino to another, and you would definitely have this that a lot of people would go through. Okay, so let's just kind of slowly go through some of it. I'm not going to go through every bit of it. I'm just going to give you a taste of some of it. But that right there goes to the Parisian. So when people go to Parisian, they walk down that hallway. But we're just only going to be going through this middle part right here. Kind of a cool looking shop right there. So you can go down that way, of course, or you can go up this way. We're going to be heading up. Okay. Oh, they're coughing. Oh no. Okay. So that looks down. There's several layers. Looks like the bottom layer is all perfume and things like that, it looks like. So that's where we came from. We keep on walking through. I think maybe people will look at these things later. They might even have some kind of historical context because it's COVID era. Everybody wears a mask all the time. They've been doing it for a year and a half. It's still the COVID era. As of today, things are closed for foreigners. No foreigners can come in. Same as usual. Foreigners who, no tourists for sure. Even foreigners who have jobs here and apartments here can't come back. They haven't been able to come back for a year and a half. If you're here, like somebody like myself, it's because you never left, which is the case with a lot of them I meet. A lot of foreigners here have working visas, but if they were to leave, they can't come back. and got some tragic stories about that, as you can imagine, because there's lots of split families. Let's see. And I even know one who has several kids in the UK, but he's dying of, he has a pretty good job, but can't leave, right? Can't come back if he leaves to see his family. Anyways, but if you're Chinese, you can come in. So anybody from China can come in, no problem. So the borders are open. So and COVID is in China, so the people are a little bit worried about it. But I think the bigger worry is that foreigners come in, so they don't want any foreigners to come back to their jobs or anything like that. Or definitely no tourists for sure. They can't come back for sure. But there's lots of people around because the tourism is open for China. So if you're from China, you can come to Macau, no problem. You can come and go, take a few tests. But yeah, if you're a foreigner and you have a job here, you can't come back to your job, you can't come back to your apartment. So yeah, I've definitely know lots of stories of people. Oops, we're gonna end that video because that was the shops. Let's go right back. Kind of giving you a little taste of Venetian now. So anyways, so the context. We'll end this one back at here, shops at Four Seasons right there. Here we go.